How do you do? It's Lukey Poo at Kuhn Truck and RV, your favorite little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, and my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo, but you can call me anytime at 440-OHIO RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering a warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440-OHIO RVs. Again, that's 440-OHIO RVS. For sale today, we have a 2003 Pleasureway Excel RD with 109,235 miles. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2003 Pleasureway Excel RD. Familiar floor plan if you're a regular viewer of ours. The Pleasureway Excel series is very popular with many of our viewers. A little bit different bed setup here in the back with the RD or the rear dinette. We have our bathroom in here as usual. Got our kitchen area across here, about 73 inches of headroom in the main part of the coach. We have a mixture of hard surface and carpet flooring. Fantastic fan in the center here, runs on the coach battery system, will still act like an attic fan at night. Bring the cool outside air in, or like an exhaust fan for your kitchen or your bathroom area here. Couple stash spots, tuck things as you come up and into the coach or head out for your adventure. Put your sunscreen, your sunglasses, things like that here. Little mark there on the wall. Levels test here. These are notoriously finicky, so do not consider these gospel. Water pump on off will pump the water out of the onboard fresh water tank. Start stop for the Onan 2800 gasoline generator. Fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified Onan technicians. This has 250 hours. Start the water heater here. This ignites itself. That runs on propane. Noxious gas detector. Got this curtain track here. You can pull the curtain all the way across here in the front for privacy while you're parked. Easy to get up and into the coach. This window opens but does not have a screen. Porch light and a light switch for the overhead light here as you come up and into the coach. Got a railing here to help you get up and in. Stash spot here in the door. Speaker here will play whatever the driver and passenger are listening to. A little bit of a step. A little bit of wear here on this railing. Not a whole lot. Flipping around now to the driver's side. A little bit of room behind the driver's seat here. You can tuck things. Both of those front seats swivel. We'll check that out here in a little while. Got this wardrobe here. You can hang your jackets. Two tabletops, one for the front, one for the rear. Table leg you can use at either location. Microwave here will run the shore power plug-in or the generator only. Got a little stash spot to the right of that for some of your other goodies. Mirror here on the bathroom door. Gonna help you get ready. Not much of a step up and in at all here into this wet bath. So everything's going to happen here in this room. You're going to pull the curtain around you, help contain the water. Got the towel bar on the back. Nice big mirror, help you get ready. Plug in there on the back wall is great for curling iron, things like that. 3 drawers here for all your goodies. Got some storage beneath the sink. Medicine cabinet here. Allows you to put all your goodies, things like that. A little bit of puckering on the wallpaper here. Sometimes that happens with moisture inside of this bathroom. Again, you're going to want to pull that curtain around you, help contain that. Got a window with a screen here. You can open that up for some airflow. Close that curtain there for privacy. Single basin sink. 2-burner propane cooktop. Nice backsplash, helps keep things clean. Storage overhead. Plug in here on the front of the cabinets. Works great for your air fryer, your coffee pot, things like that. It's our water pump down there by the floor. This is a 3-way fridge freezer. Freezer up top. Instructions are in the bottom of the box. If you need those, leave that in the auto setting. It's going to do what it needs to do to stay cool, as long as you have the appropriate fuel. A couple drawers here in the kitchen. This is our propane furnace that burns propane to make the heat, uses the coach battery system to operate the fan. Got a cabinet down here with some of our electrical connections. Another cabinet down here by the floor. Noxious gas detector. It's our electrical panel. Nice storage space here. Always at a premium in a camper van. Thermostat here is going to operate the propane furnace. The air conditioner here in the back runs on the shore power plug-in or the generator only. Going to operate that with the knobs right on the front of the unit. Overhead storage in the rear. Got some marks there on the bottom of that cabinet. Got our fire exit here. Curtains for privacy. In the back, screen window here on this side is going to get you some airflow in the back. 2 belts here on the rear sofa, 2 up front, so a total of 4 belts. Basically here, this is going to be a power sofa. You can sleep on it just like it is. Push these buttons here to run this forward and then down. It's going to make up a big bed. I'm going to drop some pictures now so you can see what that looks like made up and get some measurements.
The power sofa bed in the upright position measures approximately 20.5 inches north, south, or front to back, and 81 inches east, west from wall to wall. The power sofa goes down with the push of a button and measures approximately 53 inches north, south, and 81 inches east, west from wall to wall. Use the larger table in the back for dining, gaming, or a mobile workstation, or swivel the front seats and use the small table to create a second zone in this van.
Why wouldn't Dracula's kids laugh at his jokes? Because they all sucked. Little storage spot down here by the floor. We've got 3 drawers here. Always valuable to have more storage space here. Swivel this TV out to face the driver and passenger seat. If you swivel those around, passenger seat's going to get a better position due to the steering wheel and cabinet impeding the driver's seat. Got DC power, 12 volt back here behind the TV. Release this pin here on the left to open that TV up. Little storage cubby there. Coffee pot will work on the shore power plug-in on the generator only. Speakers in the back here will play whatever the driver and passenger are listening to. All these lights here in the back flip off here with the switches on the lights themselves. Got AC power back here, works great to plug things in for your mobile workstation, whether you're riding back here, want to charge your laptop up, things like that. That nice little spice rack, window here in the kitchen with a screen portion on the lower. Needs the strings tightened up there on that blind a little bit, help that stay up. Our manual's overhead. Nice motorhome here, popular series with the Pleasureway Excel. Minimal blemishes inside and out. Really nice specimen here. Wouldn't expect this to have 109,000 miles. Very good looking inside and out. Forgot to mention here, this is the TV antenna. You do not want to drive around that up. Got a couple little blemishes here and there. Little screw hole, little mark here on the upholstery. Little mark there behind the spice rack. A couple little marks on the floor. But all in all, real nice unit. I'm going to call this an 8 out of 10. Check this out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Up here in the cabin area, we have power windows, locks, mirrors, tilt cruise, CD, and cassette. Nice clean upholstery, glove box up here in the front. Spots to stash your things. Got 2 spots for power here on the dash. Not seeing any signs of smoking in this, some form of burn, stains, tears, no funny smells. Cigarette lighter's unused, so while it's tough to say for certain, I'm going to call this a non-smoker. Alrighty, folks, we're going to go around the outside of this 2003 Pleasureway Excel RD. This RV measures 20.5 feet bumper to bumper with a 10-foot manual awning. We have single rear wheels, and the tires have 30/20 date codes. This motorhome is built on a Ford E350 chassis with a 5.4-liter V8 engine with 109,235 miles. Nice looking exterior on this unit. You have some nicks here and there on the stripes, as you'd expect. Easy to get up and into this coach here. That handle there to help you do so. Porch light, back of our refrigerator, furnace exhaust. This is our coach battery. We have actual alloy rims. 2 AC plug-ins so you can plug things in beneath the awning. Nice big storage area here. Tuck your camp chairs, things like that. These little clasps here hold those doors open. You have some checking on the stripes there behind that door. A little scratch here. Coming around to the back of the coach. Air conditioner up top. Got some sun fading here on the back stripe. Probably had the rear of the coach facing the sun more than the rest of the RV. Got some storage back here beneath the sofa. Got our seat belts that fall down beneath there with those buckles. The silver thing there is for our awning crank. 30 amp shore power cord comes with the RV. We're gonna give you a little starter kit to go along with that when you buy something from us. Coach battery disconnect there beneath the rear sofa. This tow package here allow you to take bikes along with you, things like that. E-bikes are getting more and more popular every year, it seems like. Nice looking striping here on the driver's side. A little bit of marks if you get up close in certain spots, and others it's not so much. Back of our water heater, fill the onboard fresh water tank that will travel wherever the RV goes. Use the water pump to get the water out of that tank to your sink, shower, toilet. Sewer hose storage. Outside shower, use this to wash off pets, kids, heat the mess outside the RV, wash off your boots after a hike or after you go on the beach for a nice walk. Run your TV coax in here if you're staying somewhere that has that. City water in. It's basically a hose that comes in that will provide the pressure. 30 amp shore power connection. Propane tank is mounted to the unit, so you have to drive somewhere to fill this. Valve turns that on and off. Gauge here to tell how much is in that. This is our sewer dump here. Pull for our black. Tank is right there. Gray here, you'll do that second. It's gonna wash everything clean. This is our generator that's mounted to the unit. Runs off the fuel tank that you fill here. We'll stop running around a quarter tank so you cannot strand yourself. Nice color matched grill here. Nice looking RV overall. Really popular series here with these Excels at Kuhn Truck and RV. Check this out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers.
We bought a Born Free in Arizona, so my brother Levi saw it as the perfect chance to fly his family west to check out the Grand Canyon, Sedona, and more Arizona wonders. Levi, his wife Kelsey, and their kids Kennedy, Reagan, and Calvin made memories all along the way. In Tombstone, Arizona, Levi asked his kids if they knew what the town was famous for. The answer? Frozen pizza. How's that for a dad joke?